Hello everyone, this is Himanshu here and I welcome you to 16th day of system trading challenge that I am doing right now. Okay, so as you have seen that after like 13th of April, there was no trades update from my side, right? I mean, that has happened because in Finvacia, there was a glitch on 13th of April, all right. So that day, what happened? My M2M, it was an expiry day, right? It was a Thursday, Friday was a holiday. So it's a full week that I have missed, a little more than like two Thursdays and the full week I've missed. And that day, what happened? Actually, my PNL was going at around plus 2k at around 9 or around 10 a.m. Okay, so that was around plus 2k, and suddenly some trades happened, and my PNL started to show minus 12k in just a split second. All right. So when it was minus 12k, right? So I got all nervous and I squared off all the positions. I squared off everything. Okay, so later I found out that I did not have to actually square it off. So I actually, I reversed those square off decisions, and something happened so that my net loss that was showing, that was around minus 2.4 lakhs. All right. So just day before yesterday, Finvacia had agreed to pay out to all the people who had made loss, and it has credited me with 2.2 lakh rupees. Okay. So uh, so yeah, I'll be continuing with the future updates here. So I just wanted to tell you that I'm going to continue with Finvacia anymore. Okay, there's no changes over here, and yeah, the system is always the same, and I am always hoping that this 13th of April it never comes back to Finvacia. So let's continue with the chart section. Okay, so I'll have to log in and done it. Okay, so as you can see that previously, right, my holdings were in a different structure. Okay, there was no liquid Bs over here. But after this Finvacia issue, I have converted all the cash to liquid Bs, and some cash I have kept for daily settlement. So today, what happened is I traded all the three indexes as usual, but mostly I traded Finnifty. So I'll be discussing only Finnifty here. Okay, so as usual, this I suppose is the mid of the day, and from here, market actually went up. Sorry, it came down from opening. It went up 0.2% odd, and then it came down zero point 0.4. Then it came down another 0.2. Then it went down another 0.5. Okay, and then it like came close to the midpoint and then fell again. So people are not usually, are ready for a one-way fall from here till here, and then a rise and then a fall again. Okay, so my today's PNL is minus 1000 rupees. That is 0.05 rupees loss. So 0.05 percentage loss. Let me convert this ink. Okay, so what basically happened is I started taking entries in these candles. Okay, and what happened is till here I was absolutely fine. Okay, it was showing like close to it was plus 2.5k till here. Okay, then it started to fall. My theta stop losses started to get exit in this down move because this was very fierce, and the premiums also started to increase in this down move. I'll show you a little later. And then there was a up move. Okay, So in this up move, I had no puts remaining from the previous trades. Okay, but thankfully I had some trades here also. Okay, and those were at a very good rate. The the premium had already, it had already spiked by that time when these trades entered. So when it went up, it cooled down, but this candle actually hit my call stop loss, and this also hit my call stop loss. So overall, it was a very tough day, but the because of the premiums being so low, and this move itself is like, how many points? It's 18,840 to 80, right? So it's almost like close to 80 points. So it's not a huge move. That's why the PNL is not very bad. Uh, so that is why I ended up the day with 0.5%, 0.05%. Okay, so my maximum PNL, it was at 2,625 rupees. Okay, and minimum it went here. Let me show you in the graphs. So minimum it went minus 375. This is the exact point where the market had made a bottom, and this is the exact recovery when the market started to move up and the premium started to cool down. Okay, so by the time this was at around 15:10, I suppose I was in green is at this moment. Okay, but a sudden fall in the end is seen because of the premium expansion. This is the Nifty chart, Bank Nifty, Finnifty. So you see here there is a VIX increase in the end. Okay, let me show you. So the VIX was almost flattish here till this moment. It was like flat. This was also flat. There was a good fall here when my PNL started to increase, and this was the exact point when market had bottomed out. So the market, the market actually fell, but this VIX was, it started to rise in the end, and what happened is, let me show you the premium chart. Yeah. So what happened here is, it made a peak at this point, right? So market, this Finnifty ATM straddle, it opened. I mean, we can't consider this as open, so let's consider at 160. So it made a peak at 168 or something. Okay, and then it started to cool down, and then it went here where my PNL went positive at 15.10 or 15.5 or some at that time, and then it started to rise again, and the intraday booking position was at 15.24, that is here. So that is why this overall I closed in loss today. So I'm hoping for a better day tomorrow. So let's sorry, not tomorrow. It'll be on Monday. And yeah, just because of the glitch, I could not trade for these days, and I got my losses back. So I'm very thankful to Finvasia. And yeah, see you all on Monday. Then till then, take care. Bye bye.